Hello YouTube, this is Alan Jeremy and welcome to yet another tutorial. In this tutorial I will be giving you an introduction to computer programming, and I'm going to explain what computer programming is, why it's useful, where it is used, and why you should learn it and why it's awesome. So, what is computer programming? Computer programming is the process of creating computer programs. And what are these computer programs? A program is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. A program is created using a programming language. A programming language is a language that can be used to communicate with a computer. Therefore, a programming language is the equivalent of a language such as English when it comes to communication with computers. There are several programming languages in existence today, and I will list the most common ones. Okay, so those are the things you should know about computer programming, and if you really want to become a programmer, which is a person who writes computer programs, then you actually have to learn a computer programming language. And learning a computer programming language is going to be the first step in your journey as a computer programmer. Okay, so why is computer programming useful? Computer programming is used in almost every aspect of our lives today. From the games that you play to the animations that you watch and the movies, and almost everything requires some form of computer programming to operate normally. For example, let's take a movie. When a movie is created, there is a video editor. The video editor uses software, which is another term for a computer program. And I know that's quite a vague way to put it, but the video editing software is actually created by computer programmers. Okay, when it comes to animation, the animation software used to create the animations is a creation of computer programmers. When it comes to robots, the robots are programmed by computer programmers. Okay, so that's enough of babbling about where it is used, but just know that computer programming is important and useful. Okay, so the programming languages that are available, first of all, Python. Python can be used for animations and game programming. It can also be used for general purpose programming, and most programmers prefer Python to other languages because of its simple syntax and ease of understanding. Next up is Java. Java is the most common programming language, and it is a general purpose programming language, and this means that it can be used for just about anything. I would not recommend Java for beginners because it is object-oriented and rather confusing for beginners to start with. C is another language, and it is a low-level structural programming language. Structural